So when I'm coming down, am I aware of the hazards? The rocks, the twigs, the ruts, the edges, exposed areas? Absolutely, I do and am aware of those things, looking out for them in my periphery. But what is my focus? Hello, this is Dr. Jeff on Ed Family. We're again at Whiting Ranch. And so today, we're gonna be trying a different trail. We're gonna still go down Cactus at the top, but we're gonna come down Vulture and Sage Scrub. I don't think I've had a chance to do that on this channel yet. And so I'll have a chance to try out those trails. How do you stay on a narrow pathway when you're going downhill fast? Some people have asked that. I don't think I'm the best rider or anything like that, but here's a tip that I'm going to give, and I think I'll have some life applications as well. This is a MTB Mindfulness ride. So when I'm coming down, am I aware of the hazards? The rocks, the twigs, the ruts, the edges, exposed areas? Absolutely, I do and am aware of those things, looking out for them in my periphery. But what is my focus? My focus is my line of sight. Where is it that my bike is going to be? Where do I want my bike to be? I focus on where it is that I want to go. When I focus on where I don't want to go, you know what happens? Even though I don't want to go in that direction, what ends up happening is I go in that direction on the bike. And it's a lot harder to stay on course. So I find the best way to stay on course is by focusing on where I want to go and which direction I want to go. The best direction to go, the best path to follow. Now, I think the same is oftentimes in our work as educators as well. Sometimes our focus goes to what we hope doesn't happen, or what we're fearful of, or we focus on the mistakes. And I'm not saying that there's not a place for reflection and thinking about where to improve. Ed Family is all about reflection and improving ourselves. But one of the things I think can be forgotten is focusing on the direction that we do want to go, where we do want to head. So whether it's a lesson, or whether it's in the way that you're connecting with another educator, or whether it's a task force that you're leading, or whether it is your work with a student, try to focus on where it is that you want to go and spend more of your time there rather than being fearful of what could happen or mistakes that you've made. Once again, am I saying don't think about these things, don't be a reflectful person? Not at all, not at all. But what I do want you to focus on is, and what I need to focus on is staying on the trail that I'm meant to be on. Staying positive, looking ahead, thinking about where I want to go, and staying on course. So as you see me going down Vulture View and Sage Scrub and Cactus and Line Shack, hopefully you can see me doing that, looking ahead on the course rather than focusing on what could be a distraction. Oh, as you can see here, this is dreaded. And I'm just gonna walk it today. Just gonna enjoy a nice mindfulness hike, a mountain hike up this, but at the top I'll have the opportunity to ride down. All right, so after what seemed like about maybe 20 minutes of mountain hiking, here I am at the top And on my way down, about to head down to Cactus. It's really windy today.